Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi here for PrincetonTrader.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday was a real slow grind higher for the bulls. The bears were not able to take out 52. They never really threatened the pivot area down in the 45-46 area. There were overnight lows made in that area, but there's really nothing all that exciting. You're looking here at a 15-minute chart, by the way, of the ES, because I want to talk about what's going on this morning. You know, we went up and we did 60 half here, and essentially did a double top, and that price for now is rejected. If you do 60 half and all of a sudden you're trading 49 half, that's price rejection. Okay, so 1560 half now is some pretty serious resistance on the ES. Okay. That means that on a move through 60 half, we should really get a pop, or 60 half is going to be the end of the line with respect to this move higher. We've cut through the daily pivot, we've sliced through the 3-day pivot, we've now gone to work on the 9-day pivot, and we're coming up on yesterday's lows down in the 46.75 area. I would expect a couple of things to happen, and let's get back on the daily. Here's your daily, and I've got some fib levels up here for everybody, some short-term fib levels, and these run from the low here at 81.75 up to 1560 half. So if this is truly a break, you would expect to see yesterday's lows taken out at 46.75. You'd expect us to go back to work on the green line here, which is the 20-day simple moving average, the middle Bollinger Band that has been support for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sessions. Wasn't threatened yesterday in any way. You would expect this level to be tested. And if this is a real deal pullback, you would expect it to be broken, and you would expect us then to go to work on the 38% retracement down here at 1530, which is a retest of the lows of March 18th. Is all this going to happen in a day? Very, very doubtful. We've already done 10 off a high. You'd be asking it to do 30. Not unprecedented by any stretch of the imagination, obviously, but you don't sit here at 7:45, 7:50 in the morning and say we're going down 30. It's not that kind of market right now. So I would expect to see one of two things today. A move up to test the 1560 half that either produces a lower high or confirms that 1560 half is resistance in regular trading hours. That's a short. In either situation, that's a short. Or further weakness from here being 1550 and below, down immediately to test 46 and 45. I want to be long that kind of a test, because at that point you've done 15 handles straight up off of the highs, and the dip buyers are going to see that as an opportunity, and you're going to want to come in and be part of that opportunity as well. If the 1560 half level is real, then that dip should produce a lower high, which I would then want to sell and flip and get short into for a leg down if the bears are for real. So the bottom line is, right now, sitting at 1550 even at 7:55 in the morning, we have a lot of questions and absolutely no answers. And at this moment, there's no trade, because you're sitting between the middle band at 1541, the highs, double top highs at 1560 half, and we are trading exactly in the middle. So we are in wait and see mode. Okay? Everybody have an amazing day. Mike Vacchi for PrincetonTrader.com. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.